In this video, I will show you how to delete your Plenty of Fish account on an iPhone every step in a row. Let's get started right away. The first thing you're going to do is open up Plenty of Fish, open up the app, click on it. Once you've done that, the top right corner, you're going to hit the three little dots and then you're going to go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're going to go to Safety and Help. Then this page will pop up. Now in here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you find how to delete your account. See, there it is. So you're going to copy and paste this link here. You're going to hold down on it, and then you're going to pick it just the way I'm picking here. Copy. And once you have it copied, you're going to leave the app and you're going to open up your browser. Now in the search bar, you're going to place that link that we copied just like that, and it will go to this page here. And once you're here, you're going to hit the top right little circle with like your face in it. Press that. And now press the three lines top left corner. That takes you into here. You're going to go down to Help Center. Once you're in there, you're going to hit View Topic. Now you're going to hit Delete Your Account. That will take you into this page here. And once you're in here, you're going to be scrolling down and you're looking for to delete your account permanently. Click here. Did you see that? Yes, you did. And that will take you into this page. And now what you have to do is you have to answer some questions. See, we answered this. We're going to answer 10 people we have went on dates on. It doesn't really matter. Just write whatever. So we're filling this part out. We're almost at the end, guys. Bear with me. Throw me a subscription, by the way. I really need them, guys. More than you know. Starting a new channel. There you go, guys. Do you want to delete it? Yes, we do. That's the end, guys. Thanks so much. Subscription, please. Subscription. Give it to me. I need one.